Hello, welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is Veronica Schuich and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Melbourne, Australia. And in this video, we're going to make a faux wallet. This project is perfect for Father's Day, which is coming up soon, but certainly not limited to Father's Day. You can give this to say congratulations or happy birthday to someone. You could even give this to someone who's recently got their driver's license. I'm using soft suede A4 cardstock. I am scoring at 8 1/4 and 2 3/4, and I've cut it at 6 1/4. Next up, you'll need to cut and score the smaller pieces or the pockets to the wallet. Your measurements will vary depending upon what exactly you want to fit inside the wallet. I just measured around a business card, which is often a gift card size, and allowed a bit more space, and made the opposite side a little bit higher so I could fit a photo inside. Then you'll need to mitre the bottom corners of the smaller pockets for a neater finish. Then you'll need to burnish the score lines using a bone folder. Well, imagine that. Imagine being able to work 7 times faster than you normally would. Wouldn't that be great? You'd be able to get your housework done in no time. And that, of course, might leave you with more craft time. Yay! Next step would be to emboss the pieces, including the card base, to create some texture. You could leave this part out if you wanted a faster project that didn't have too much detail, as well as the photo part, and just keep it simple with 1 or 2 pockets for a message and then for a gift card. With my score lines, I've allowed for just a little bit over 1/4 inch space, and I've actually scored 2 lines. So I'd score 1 line and then go a little bit over that and score again right next to it, just to allow for a bit of depth inside the pocket. And a big shout out to May, who inspired me with this project. I've altered the measurements and added a special feature for this project. Die cut a rectangular shape onto one of the pockets as a window feature, and then if you have a photo of the person, you can add that to the keepsake card. Use a corner rounder punch to punch out the corners of the card base. Or if you want to step it down, you can omit this part out. Next step would be to build the pockets or the layers of the card by first folding the base part to itself and adhering the 2 ends. Then add the pocket pieces. Now I've used a normal business card as my measuring tool to make sure that a gift card will fit in there. Some gift cards may be odd shapes, so you might want to buy the card first before you make the faux wallet, so that you don't miscalculate the shape of the gift card. I'm very excited to announce that V's Cards Remote Learning Class 10 is now available for purchase. So if you live in Australia and you'd like to purchase one, you can send me an email and we'll set you up for Class 10 to be sent to your postal address, followed by some video tutorial links which will be sent to you via email. So if you like all the hard work done for you, the design, planning, the pre-measuring and cutting of materials for 3 exciting projects, then you may love remote learning classes with V, especially if you're in lockdown and you're looking for ways to stay crafty and to stress less and enjoy life. If you're in Melbourne and you're looking forward to doing some in-house crafting with me, please sign up for that, because I cannot wait to see you once we are set free from lockdown, so that we can get together and share a fun crafting experience, followed by a relaxing chat and cuppa together. A quick note, if you live in Australia and you're looking for a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I'd love you to join our VIP group. Simply email me your expressions of interest and you'll find out about in-house classes, remote learning, other exclusive VIP events and promotions. You are most welcome. As you can see, I'm taking advantage of the piercing end of my Take Your Pick tool to remove the backing of the double-sided tape. I just find it instrumentally helpful and it sure beats picking them off with my nails. For the closing mechanism, I am using the All Dressed Up dies, or what I call the fastening feature of the wallet. Not shown in the video, I have used a retired 1/2-inch circle punch to punch out some circles and adhere that to the end of that fastening feature just for extra strength, as it will be opening and closing a fair bit. I've also added another circle to the cardstock, the larger front, so that the two circles will meet when they fasten together. I've added a fair bit of liquid adhesive onto that opening and closing mechanism and I'm just allowing it to dry. The dried liquid glue will allow for a sticky surface so that you can seal the wallet closed. However, it's not a permanent seal, you can still reopen it again. So it's sort of a semi-sticky situation for the wallet, which allows you to open and close it freely. One of the things I like about this feature card is that it will fit inside an envelope if you have to send it, but otherwise you won't need an envelope if you're giving it in person. I'm using a retired Stampin' Up die set, but you can use one that is current, which would do the same job if you want to label the card front. Thanks very much for joining me for another V's Cards video. I hope I was able to inspire you. Please take a moment to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks so much, happy crafting, and see you next time.